This is called Ofada Stew. Yeah, Ofada Stew. In Nigeria, we use it to eat local brown rice in Nigeria. And this Ofada Stew, there is something that make it different from other food. Even when you don't cook it with firewood, it will taste like food cooked with firewood, or it will taste like food cooked by grandma. You know how food cooked by grandma tastes. Exactly. I don't know, maybe it's because of the bleaching of the palm oil. I don't know. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be preparing Ofada Stew. If you are new to Vivian recipe, you are highly welcome. All we do here is cooking, and if you like what we do here, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our video. To our returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you all so much. So Ofada Stew is prepared with different minced bell pepper. Okay, you just have to chop all your pepper, onions, everything. You just chop them together. You give it rough blend. It don't need to be smooth. Okay, it's just rough blend. Okay, so at this point I was done chopping all my bell pepper, so I'm just going to pour it in my strainer to see if there is any excess liquid, just to separate it from the bell pepper. So as you can see, there is a little liquid in it. So we're just going to, separate it. So this is palm oil, as I said before, it's prepared with palm oil, and this palm oil will bleach it. This process, we call it bleaching of the oil. Okay, you have to be careful when you are bleaching your oil so that your kitchen will not catch fire. So at this point, I have to change it to a bigger pot to prepare the Ofada stew. This is when I was pouring in the oil. So at this point, I'm going to add the onions. After the onions, I will be adding locust beans, as you see me doing. The next will be to add my crayfish as well. After that, I will just add the blend pepper or the chopped pepper. Okay. So I just added my spices, curry, seasoning powder, and salt to it. This is the water we separate from the chopped minced bell pepper from beginning, so I just add it to cook. So here I've cooked it for a few minutes, so I'm just going to be adding my meat or protein, whatever you might call it. At this point, guys, you can see that our Ofada stew is ready. Okay, it's time to serve with your rice. So let me know, guys, what you think. Please like this video, leave your comment, also share. God bless you for watching. Stay tuned and remain blessed. Bye.